How to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Trust Wallet. Make sure you have already logged into your account. With that, you will land to the home page. Once you're on the home page, here you're going to find different crypto options. Head towards the wallet for which you want to see the address. Just click on it. I've selected Bitcoin. After you open it, now here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of receive. With that, you're going to get the QR code. And along with that, you're going to find different options as copy, set amount, and share. Click on the option of copy. With that, you have just copied the address for this wallet. So this way you can easily find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. By applying the same process, you can easily find the address of other wallets as well. Just click on it. Let's try for BNB. Click on receive and then click on copy. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily find a wallet address on Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.